Cleanliness has become more than just a habit. It's now a lifestyle and a necessity. With India's growing cities, modern homes, expanding corporate offices, hospitals, and hospitality industries, the demand for smart and efficient floor cleaning devices has surged like never before. From simple vacuum cleaners to high-tech robotic cleaners and industrial scrubbers, India's cleaning device industry is evolving fast. And guess what? Entrepreneurs, startups, and manufacturers are now tapping into this multi-thousand crore market opportunity. The cleaning revolution is here, driven by hygiene awareness, Swachh Bharat initiatives, and lifestyle upgrades. If you've ever thought about launching your own brand in the cleaning tech or home appliance segment, this is the perfect time to enter. In this video, we'll explore a complete roadmap on how to start a floor cleaning devices business in India. We will cover in this video, target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. To begin, understanding your target audience is absolutely crucial. Your customers can be divided into 6 major groups. Urban households. They prefer compact, affordable vacuum cleaners, mops, and robotic devices that save time. Commercial offices and retail stores need heavy-duty floor scrubbers and large-capacity vacuum machines. Hospitals and institutions focus on germ-free, low-noise cleaning solutions. Hotels and restaurants want fast, aesthetic, and hygienic cleaning devices. Facility management and cleaning contractors buy in bulk and look for easy maintenance machines. Industrial warehouses and factories demand strong industrial-grade vacuum cleaners and scrubbers for dust and debris. Each group has different needs and price preferences, so always plan your product range accordingly. Market research and analysis. India's floor cleaning devices market was valued at around 4,500 crore rupees in 2024. By 2035, it's projected to reach nearly 17,000 crore rupees, growing at an impressive 13 to 15% CAGR. Here are some quick insights. Tier 1 cities currently dominate, but Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are catching up fast. Cordless, robotic, and eco-friendly devices are trending. Major players include Eureka Forbes, Dyson, Philips, Karcher, iRobot, Inalsa, and Kent. Online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and HealthCart have become key sales drivers. Pro tip: always conduct a competitive price audit and feature analysis to find your niche, whether it's affordable compact devices or premium smart cleaners. Marketing and sales strategy. Your marketing strategy defines your success. Branding and positioning. Emphasize your unique selling points, like smart automation, battery efficiency, or eco-friendly design. Use premium and informative packaging and ensure certifications like BIS, ISO 9001, and CE for customer trust. Sales channels. Sell directly through your own website for higher margins. Partner with Amazon, Flipkart, and major electronic retailers. Supply in bulk to offices, hospitals, and hospitality chains. Explore export markets across Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Promotional tactics. Collaborate with home improvement influencers. Run video demonstrations on YouTube and Instagram. Offer EMI schemes, exchange offers, and extended warranties. Attend cleaning and hygiene expos for B2B networking. Financial planning. Okay, let's talk about the money side of it. The financial planning. Here's an approximate breakdown of initial setup costs. You'll need to keep in mind Product R&D and prototyping, 2 lakh to 5 lakh rupees. Manufacturing unit setup, 5 lakh to 15 lakh rupees. Branding and packaging, 2 lakh to 4 lakh rupees. Website and e-commerce setup, 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees. Marketing and promotions, 3 lakh to 6 lakh rupees. Legal and certification, 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees. So, your total investment comes to about 14 lakh to 34 lakh rupees, depending on whether you manufacture in-house or outsource production. Funding and investment options. Now, how do you fund your business? Here are some realistic and effective options you can consider. Bootstrapping is great for testing your prototype or making those early sales. MSME loans or Mudra loans are ideal if you need to purchase machinery and equipment. Angel investors can really help when you're ready to scale your brand and boost online visibility. Government schemes, like those under Make in India or MSME innovation programs, can also provide some much-needed support. And if you're introducing a tech-driven or smart cleaning product, crowdfunding can be a perfect fit. Profit margin. Profitability in this business is quite promising, honestly. Typically, floor cleaning devices offer gross margins between 35 to 55%. If you choose to trade or outsource, you can expect around 25 to 35% margins. But if you manufacture in-house, you might earn up to 55%. Direct online, or D2C, sales offer the highest returns. On average, most brands achieve break-even within 18 to 24 months, as long as marketing and logistics are well managed. Company incorporation and legal compliance. Before you begin, make sure your company is legally compliant. You can register as a sole proprietorship, LLP, or private limited company. Here are some mandatory registrations and licenses. UDIAM, which is MSME registration. GST registration, BIS certification for product safety. ISO 9001:2015 for quality management. Trademark registration to secure your brand, and import-export code if you plan to export. Compliance ensures your business is trusted, recognized, and future-ready. Supporting documents. Before launching your products, keep all supporting documents ready. That includes product testing and safety certifications, component sourcing and vendor agreements, warranty and service documentation, packaging material compliance certificates, quality assurance reports and inspection records, as well as customer manuals and after-sales policies. Proper documentation builds credibility with distributors and consumers alike. How Market Research Universe can help you? Starting a manufacturing or appliance brand isn't easy, but you don't have to do it alone. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. Our solution, MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy, and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So, which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years. Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's not, you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. See, your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 8 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh Program in Market Research and Business Consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now this is the India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market, forecasting, and then find out the best, profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success, okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days, okay. After that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding, if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're gonna launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're gonna continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.